I'm very excited about this. I had a problem. You may or may not know I used to race cars professionally, and the air hose that I had, I think, was 60 feet long, 3/8 inch, giant, old rubberized hose, and it was just so big and difficult for me and cumbersome, because nowadays I live here in Florida, which is why I'm here in the indoor studio today, because it is hot in the outdoor studio in the garage. So we're indoor in the air conditioning today. But in my garage, where I am now, for the most part, occasionally pumping up a tire, spraying off the dirt off my RC car, working on a drone, crafts, that kind of stuff, I am not really running the big air gun all the way out at the end of the tractor trailer anymore. So I didn't need that anymore. And this was such a perfect answer. So I ordered it, and I'm coming to tell you, this is ridiculously, but look how small this is. This is so efficient and effective for inside my garage, easy to work with. Nicole's going to be very happy because it's not going to be this big giant thing going all over the place. Yeah, this is definitely ridiculously cool if you have the same issue as me, right? If you're kind of, let's say, downsizing your use from like serious commercial use of your air compressor to just normal everyday guy use, this stuff is really good. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.